Hey, Rialta people and YouTube people? I don't know. Okay, we're the Rialta people today, but we slept in quite late today, so apparently it's comfortable.
You've got to dream big, or don't dream at all.
Guys, so it is the end of July. Super hot out here. We are camping in our Rialta. It's really kind of our first real trip out, and
super hot.
Yep, and we're in Texas.
Not much. Getting warnings for
Yeah.
heat advisories. It's a really hot weekend. If you're out camping this weekend, you know what we're talking about. It's heat index is, well, the heat's like 100.
Yeah, it got up to 98 today, and the feels like got up to 109, I think.
Yeah, it's hot.
So it was super hot. So the only reason why we're on here to talk to you is because I have to say I'm very impressed with the Rialta. I was actually really concerned, thinking we're just going to be hot all weekend, we're going to be crabby, take swimsuits, don't wear anything else, and that's kind of what my attitude was, thinking, this 20-year-old rig was going to let us down in the heat, but it didn't.
Yeah, so her concern was, hey, you read all this stuff online, you hear all the talk for RVers about having 2 AC units and all the big 15,000 plus BTU units and all this stuff, and there's a lot of cool new tech out there, right? You can go for all that stuff, but Winnebago engineered these really well. And just our opinion, right, but personal experience, we took it out on a hot weekend. We didn't get out and do a whole lot outdoors because we've got our pup with us, and she's 1,000 years old in dog years, I think, something like that. Anyway, she didn't walk a whole lot, so we did what we could, but we spent a lot of time inside the coach, and the AC worked like a charm. And I don't know the rating on the Coleman mock units in these. I think I saw 11,500 BTU somewhere. Someone said 13,000. I don't think it's that high. Might even be less. You can look that up, but it did superbly.
It did. In fact, last night we were cold. So, and I'm ridiculous. I bought some heavy bed comforter for this when we bought it. So
Because it was pretty.
It was pretty, and it's super thick. So
Yeah.
Anyway, I was going, I probably should bring a little blanket, but we didn't. We still have it, and it kept us, it was fine. It was cold in here.
So for summer travels, you should be just fine with the air built into the car. And as you know, you've got both the AC from the Volkswagen side of things and the auxiliary front AC that you can use that Winnebago added in. So you've got that additional, what is that total of about 8 more vents if the roof air is not enough. So wherever you are, which I don't think it'll be hotter than, we're probably hitting, 80-90% humidity?
Yeah, well, it was about 50 or 60 today, so it wasn't that bad.
Oh, it wasn't that bad. Okay.
It wasn't too bad, but
50,
it's still
60%
very humid.
Yeah, so decent humidity, not super high, but high temperatures, and kind of that like inversion just sitting on us.
Yeah.
And we're out by a lake, so it's hot out there.
Yeah.
But had a great time, and the air's working great. So if you're considering a Rialta, as long as your unit is in working condition, great.
Yeah.
And if not,
we can't promise you that your unit's going to be good. I mean, ours is, It's 20 years old and 19 years old. Sorry. And I'm very impressed with it. So, in fact, now I'm ready next weekend to go to the beach.
yeah, and if not, just, you can service it or you can replace it with a bigger one. So just head down to your RV shop and pick one out, right? Or do your own installation if you want. But we just wanted to let you know, it worked out great in the heat, and already got some cool comments on it. A lot of people looking at it, actually asking, like, how old is that thing?
Yeah.
It looks...
And we've been in it for 2 or 3 days now, too. So, and it's been comfortable.
So don't worry about the heat. Rialta
Just
AC
go out.
does a good
Adventure.
job. We never ran the front AC or the auxiliary AC one time.
Not any today.
Thought about it today that, hey, if we needed to, we would kick that on, but we didn't need to do that.
In fact, we didn't even realize it till later in the day that we were running it on the low speed instead of the high speed.
Yeah, we had to turn down for the night and ran most of the morning with it on lower settings. So
anyway, very impressed. We
worked
love our
like a charm.
Rialta.
Hey, so if you're thinking about a Rialta and this is something that you are thinking about, then cool. Hope this helps you out. We're going to talk about our TV setup in here. Pretty economical way to to watch TV and stuff. So we'll talk to you about that one here in another video. So hey, we'll catch you later. Till then, remember, God is good.
All the time.
You've got to dream big, or don't dream at all.